Hey, what is up guys? Today is Monday, January 22nd, and today Amazon officially opened up their Amazon Go store here in Seattle to the public, and it's pretty crazy. There's a lot of hype about this on the news. If you don't know what Amazon Go is, it's basically this shopping store, this grocery store where you just walk in, grab what you want or need, and you just walk out without any register or checkout line, which is really crazy. And basically it all works with a bunch of sensors and cameras that are placed all over the store, and it detects when you take something or put something back, and it's pretty crazy. So basically, if I could get my phone, basically it all works with an app on your phone. You just need an Amazon account and the Amazon Go app. So we'll check out the app, see how it works, and then yeah, I'm about like 15 minutes away from the actual store itself. So I'm gonna take a Lyft to drive over there, and we'll see what it's all about. Alright, so in order to gain access into the actual store itself, you basically need this Amazon Go app, and you get this QR code type of thing, and you just scan in to get in, and you just need an Amazon account, and apparently when you take something and just walk out, it detects everything and it'll charge you right after the fact. So yeah, this is the app. You can just get breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever, see all the products. Yeah, basic app. Let's see how everything works, and let's go. Hello. Joseph? What was that?
No, I didn't see anything.
Oh, okay. Thank you, drive safe. Alright, there's a long line here.
Somebody know you're ready to go, right?
Is this the line to get into the store?
Yes.
Just a long line? Everyone apparently is getting these bags to get into the store. And I'm just gotta wait in this long ass line.
Perfect. You
Got
go
it.
right on. Thanks, Jessa.
All right. Thank you. Just any of those four? Okay. All right. So if you look everywhere, all over the ceilings, there's sensors everywhere that tracks you once you walk in. My name's Joe.
Oh, Joe. What's going on, Joe?
Okay, Jose. All right, so when you take off an item, it detects when you take it, right?
Yeah.
What about if you misplace an item and you put a different item on the different shelf, how would that work? You would find
If
it?
you ever hear if you're walking around us, if you hear beeps, that indicates that it's something where it should be.
All right.
So yeah, it'll pick it up within.
So if I took like a Diet Coke and put it on like the
Even if
chip
you-
section.
Even if you switch it with another lane, that's a different item.
Okay.
Say you switch it with Diet Coke with a regular Coke, it'll
Gotcha. All right, and so what can customers do if they accidentally get mischarged for something they didn't purchase?
So in your customer feedback, when you go on your phone, it'll have like a receipt.
Yeah.
You actually click on the item that you think you didn't get. Click on it and you put refund. And you give a reason why, and you get your money back.
Okay, right on. Oh, that's awesome.
That's
Okay,
it. Yeah,
thank you.
That's for any item. Yeah, no
All right.
problem. So if you got like something that you didn't find the quality was good, you put it in the feedback, what was wrong with it, and you'll get your money back. No matter
Okay.
what it is.
Awesome, thank you.
No problem.
Honestly, I don't even know what I want. So I'm probably gonna grab a Diet Coke and just maybe walk out.
Take to one
Okay, so it's definitely a small store. Everyone's just looking around taking pictures at this moment since it's the first day. And so far I only grabbed a Diet Coke and a yogurt. And I think I'm just gonna walk out because it's pretty hectic in here. It's hard to film. Yeah. Seems pretty cool. And you can just walk out, no cash register or check out line. That's awesome. One more thing, just milk. Gotta get chocolate milk. I think I'm done shopping. It's just way too crowded in here. It's pretty small. I got 3 items. Let's see if the app gets it correct and charges me the right amount. So I'm about to just walk out.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Welcome.
All right, so I just walked out of the store, and it honestly felt like I just robbed something. All right, so I'm out of the store, and the app, it finally charged me for what I got. And yeah, it's so cool. It's really accurate. I did get a Diet Coke, I did get yogurt, and I did get milk. And it got everything correct, all 3 items, and it charged me the right amount, so that's awesome. All right, so that was the shopping experience at the Amazon Go store, and honestly, it was okay. It was not great. It was definitely convenient just to be able to walk out and get what you need. But it was definitely a small store, and a lot of people were there, so it was really hard to move around. But overall, the technology in that store is really cool. I don't think I would go there again, just for the fact that where I'm living here in Seattle, it's kind of a little further away than I would like to travel just to buy groceries. So, but overall, Amazon Go, I give it a 10 out of 10.